Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. And oh boy, we have a crazy crypto market going on here in the past 24 hours or so. The market has been wild. The volatility is insane, and it's obviously an opportunity for us to check out three top altcoins potentially to be looking at right now. So the market is up about 0.5%. We see our top gainer here in the past 24 hours going to be Pluton, which is up about 81%. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at over 41.5 billion in volume, which is definitely a lot higher than usual, about 30% higher, I believe. And Ethereum at 27.7 billion. Bitcoin's up 2.5%. Ethereum is still actually down about 2%. So Bitcoin at 36,000. It made a huge run from about lows of 33,000. And then Ethereum here trading at around that 2400 level. Now we see altcoins are all over the place. Some of them are a little bit green, a little bit red, and then obviously we have some outliers like Cosmos, which is up about 9% here. Phantom is up about 7%, and some bigger red ones as well. But things are all over the place. We're seeing a lot of opportunities, obviously. If we actually take a quick look here at the crypto bubbles in the past 7 days, once again, everything is red. I do not see a single coin on here that is green. So everything has been making a huge pullback here in the market, which gives us opportunities to buy the dip for the future, especially if you are a long-term investor. Now, obviously, guys, before we get into this content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. It just helps the channel grow, so go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Now, let's get into it. The first altcoin is going to be the Sandbox, also known as Sand. So this one here in the past 24 hours is, up about 1%. So it's up about 1.35%, trading at $2.95. Obviously, this coin is one of the metaverse plays. So we have the Sandbox, we have Engine, we have, Decentraland, also known as Mana, and many other ones like Gala and other players out here. But the Sandbox is one of the more popular ones, and that's why we're talking about it right here on this video. As we can see here, in the past week, we're down about 34%. Past month, over 51%, guys. This coin was trading at over about what, $7 up here at one point, $7.50 or so, and we've went from those highs. We're down here trading at $2.95 right now, coming back lower, very quickly. So right here we have a support obviously around this $2.30 level. That support is very weak. So if we fall through that, we continue to push on lower. But this could be an opportunity for long-term investors who believe in the metaverse. This coin was trading at around 9 cents last year in January. Like we said, hit highs up here of over $7.50, and now we've seen this pullback here pretty much from about the end of November, and then December once again another pullback as we saw a fake dead cat bounce right there. So this coin is still up over 3,000% on the 1-year chart, but it is on a downward trend right now in the short term. Now this thing could turn around and come back up. If we take a look down here, currently 2.7 billion market cap. So the market cap on this was over 6 billion at some point here and the highs, and we've lost about more than half of that, a little bit more than half actually. So this one has been on a downtrend, but the metaverse is not going anywhere. It's still here, guys. So this is just a correction, bearish type move here in the whole crypto space. So volume is at 969.9 million, which is actually 33% higher than usual. And then obviously we have the circulating supply right there, which is 31% of the supply, 922.2 million Sand. And the all-time high area was actually about $8.44. So massive pullback there. We're going to be waiting for a bounce, obviously. We're not going to be buying just randomly. We're waiting for an uptrend, and then we buy the dip, obviously. Once we see an upward momentum trend happening with the Sandbox, that's going to be an opportunity possibly to buy the dip for the long-term investment. Now, obviously, it has over a 200% upside just to get back to the all-time high area where it was trading, and then after that, we just continue to push on higher and higher into the all-time high area. So the Sandbox metaverse play, that's going to be our first altcoin on this list. Our second altcoin on this list is going to be Avalanche, also known as AVAX. Another very popular one on this channel that we talk about. Same pattern here. Everything kind of pulled back down here on Monday morning, came down to lows, and then throughout the afternoon, we saw it pump on higher and higher, hitting nice levels up here. In the past 24 hours, we're up about 1.5%, trading at $62.66. In the past week, we're down 27%. Past month, we're down 45%. But on the 1-year chart, we're still up over 400%. So this was trading at $12. Hit highs here first in February, pulled back down all the way to lows about $10, losing 80% of its value. But then from that $10 range, it just continued to push on higher and higher and higher. Just when you thought it would be done right here in September, it said no, we're going to keep going up here in October, pushing higher, creating new all-time highs, hitting highs of over $135 here right around Thanksgiving. here it bounced off of this December low and then hit a new high here in December for that month. And then obviously this pullback we've been seeing throughout January has gotten worse and worse. So market cap on this one is going to be 15.3 billion. Volume here is up 38% higher than usual at 1.2 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 19 days. It is ranked the number 9 coin here on the list. 74% buy activity and 26% sell activity on Avalanche. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable, smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Now, Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. Now, what is Avalanche? Avalanche describes itself, like we said, like Ethereum. Avalanche can provide a wide variety of applications like stablecoins, DeFi protocols, obviously, and NFTs. Avalanche is also compatible with Solidity, the programming language used by the Ethereum network, which means developers from one of the largest and most engaged communities in the crypto can build on Avalanche and use it to deploy custom, private, or public blockchains as subnets. And whereas, obviously, the Bitcoin blockchain can typically process around 7 transactions per second, Avalanche destroys that. They claim to be able to process over 4,500 transactions per second, which is insane. So how does all of this actually work? Well, Avalanche's network consists of 3 component blockchains: the platform chain, which it coordinates validators and their creation of subnets; the C chain for the creation of smart contracts; and the X chain for managing the exchanging assets. Now, the native asset connecting the Avalanche network is the AVAX cryptocurrency. There will only ever be 720 million AVAX coins in circulation, and AVAX can also potentially be used in proposing and voting on future network upgrades, obviously. So right here, can you stake, AVAX? AVAX rewards can be earned by staking directly on the Avalanche network, which helps secure, validate, and govern Avalanche while enabling the following features. So obviously, yes, you can stake Avalanche coin, which is a great opportunity for any investors that plan on holding for the long term and want to get some more passive income, I guess, while holding your coin. So that's going to be our second coin. And then last but not least, we have Matic Polygon right here. So this one, same pattern, hit lows, hit highs up here after the comeback throughout the day. Down about 3% here, trading at 144. In the past week, we're down 33%. Past month, we're down 42%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're obviously up over 4,400%, as this was trading at around 4 cents last January. Hit highs here when we had a whole green renewable energy type coin mining, pump and dump pretty much from lows to highs very quickly of over 100% in a matter of 24 hours, bouncing back all the way down to lows. And then throughout the rest of the year, we hit highs up here at one point towards the end of the year, right around Christmas time, at around the $3 range. And then ever since then, we're down over 50%. Pretty much the same pattern with all the other altcoins that are down 50% or so in that same exact time period. We have 10.7 billion here in market cap, 2.2 billion in volume, which is 62% higher than usual. We have 69-day typical hold times. It is ranked the number 12 coin with 78% buy activity and 22% sell activity. Polygon is an Ethereum network that, Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to Ethereum main chain. So obviously the Matic token is used to pay for transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. Another coin that is, revolved around that green renewable type situation that we were looking forward to last year. And then Bitcoin kind of just took over again, and these coins kind of didn't really do much, but it's still doing very, very well here in the short term and the long term. Obviously, everybody is very, very, familiar with what they're doing. So, Polygon right here, as we have about 100% upside plus, just to get back to the all-time high area, it's going to be very, very interesting to see how it performs in the next year or so. So that's going to be our third altcoin. Now let's take a quick look at some of these other altcoins to see what is going on. First of all, the meme here, Dogecoin. Dogecoin hit lows down here at 13 cents, almost 12 cents. It continues to have this downtrend, like we said. I mean, throughout the year, we saw that pump at the beginning of 2021, and now the dump is happening. It's going to go under 10 cents as long as this bear market type situation continues to pull things down, in my opinion. Then we have Ethereum, like we said, down about 2%. Hit lows at that one point here on Monday at 2,100 or so. Then came back up to about 2,500 very quickly with the recovery. In the past week, we're down 24%. Past month, 40%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're still up over 81% with the highs at now, 4,800, over $2,500 away from the all-time high area. Market cap 285.5 billion. Volume is up 76% higher than usual, which is a positive sign. 82% buy activity and 18% sell activity on Ethereum. So people are definitely buying. Bitcoin right here was trading at 33,000 at the low, and then bounced back up really quickly to about 37,000 in a matter of about, a few hours here. We saw pretty much the big bounce, but it kind of just started to recover slowly and then, hit those highs. So very nice bounce here on it, 2.5% higher. In the past week, we're still down 14%, past month 29%, and then on the 1 year chart, we're up over, about 11.5% or so. So from those highs that we were trading at 49,000, we are about $33,000 away, close to about 50% upside, or actually 100% upside, doubling where we're at right now. It was a 50% cut from the high to the low. We have 682 billion market cap right now, 34% of the crypto market space. Volume is up 61%. Like we said at the beginning of the video, we have 79% buy activity and 21% sell activity on Bitcoin. So guys, crypto is definitely wild right now. The volatility is insane. What is going to be happening here on Tuesday? We're going to have to find out and wait and see. Obviously, guys, smash that like button, guys, if you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. As always, let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen in the crypto market space? I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence to make sure you understand what you're getting into. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. And let's see what Papa Pal says tomorrow. Goodbye.